Hello, I am here to show you something really cool. Nomad Internet. First of all, open the box. This is definitely something I have needed. I love this little backpack. It's so cute. Oh, first, we have something very cool, battery bank. I'm gonna put it to the test, stay charged for up to a week. So we're gonna give that a try. I'm going to make sure that we have it fully charged first. We do have cables in here, so let's see. First I'm gonna pull out our little guy. Look at this. Okay, this is the modem router, all in one. Here, let's see. Okay, we have more cables. Let's look at this first. This is our power cable. We do need power for the router modem, so you would plug it in and you can use the power bank.